What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Have you ever had your shower go scalding hot or ice cold when someone flushes or turns on a faucet? That's a low water pressure frustration. That's low water pressure frustration. As a plumber licensed in 3 states, Florida, South Carolina, and New York, I come across a wide variety of plumbing needs and issues, and I offer solutions. So when I have a homeowner or a property manager or a building owner complaining about weak water pressure in their building, their home, or their place of work, I turn to the Aquastrong Smart 45 water booster pump. This pump is reliable, dependable, and offers me genuine peace of mind knowing that I'm not going to have to go back for a potential recall because their water pressure is weak again. In this video, we're going to be installing the Aquasmart 45 water booster pump in a 2-family home here in New York, solving a problem: weak water flow when the sprinkler system is on. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at this Aqua Booster pump, the Aquastrong 45. Cool compact design. You can see it's quite small. We have our 1-inch male pipe threads on the inlet and outlet side. We have self-priming plug with integrated sensor, a powerful magnet motor, and a pressure tank. All right, before we head out into the field, we're going to do a little bit of prep work, just a little bit of prep work on our inlet and outlet sides. We're going to take some PTFE tape. I like to use Blue Monster. We're going to wrap it around the threads 5 times on both the inlet and the outlet side. This helps us give a nice watertight connection to our fittings to connect to the house's plumbing supply. Since these are male threads, 1-inch, we're going to use some 1-inch female threads. For that connection, we're using the Viega PureFlow 1-inch Press PEX adapters. In the field, we're going to adapt from this 1-inch to 3/4 into our water supply in the home. We're going to take an adjustable wrench and hold back with a larger wrench and tighten with the shorter one. Ooh, it's adjustable there, huh? Let's take a look at that. All right. Got some water in there, probably from testing at the factory. Push that there. Pretty solid connection. I don't know about you, but that's pretty weak. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Aquastrong Smart 45 fixes this, delivering consistent water pressure and better daily comfort. Are you ready for an install at this home here on Long Island, New York? Let's go. All right, here is the water pressure booster pump. Right now we are in a limited height crawl space here. Max, I would say about 5 feet, but remember, this cannot be installed outdoors. It's not outdoor rated, so try to keep it indoors in a cool and dry place. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 ports on the side of the unit. They are not identified with in or out. Nope. There's no identification marking them in or out. So we have an upper and a lower valve. Let's go to the manual. All right, let's rest the booster pump down. Mounted on a couple cinder blocks, keep it off the ground here in this basement. The lower tapping is our inlet. Our upper is the outlet. We need to get electric and some piping done. Here we go. All right, let's get the piping inserted. I'm going to take a little mark here, make sure that we're deep enough. Yep. Perfect. Okay, there's one. Let's beautiful. All right, now let's get this on here. That's in there. Beautiful. Now we have this one left. A lot more here. Oh, there's this thing. Beautiful. Oh, you're not being cooperative. Now we're in. Press that in, please. Perfect. It was a little stubborn to get in there, so we just disconnected it from the union on the pump itself. And now we'll re-secure that. Did we do that one too? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we got any leaks. Ready?
Yep.
Turning on the domestic water going into the pump. Cool. The outlet side. All right, let's give it power. All right. We have 5.5 as our set pressure. And right now our operating pressure is 5.3. This is in bar, this is not in PSI. You need to be crystal clear with that. We purged out the air from the top and the system is ready for use. Let's go see what the pressure looks like. Wow, night and day difference. Beautiful. Amazing. And that's why my company uses the Aquastrong Smart 45 for water pressure boosting for my clients' homes. And you should too. We have beautiful 1-inch inlet and outlet ports. So if you have a 3/4 or 1-inch water main, you're ready to go, good to go. Check out the link in the description box down below for more details.